guys, it's your girl Janae Monet, and I hope you're having an awesome day. So today we are going to blow dry my niece's hair. I'm using this heat protectant. That will be in the description box. Also, if you guys have any ideas, please let your girl know because I need to know what y'all want to see. Okay, this is Vlogmas Day 22, honey. And girl, guess what? We got 3 more days till Christmas. Are you ready? Because I'm ready, honey. I'm ready to open up some gifts, okay? And I'm ready to eat as well. Shoot, I don't know about you, but that's how I feel. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please comment. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell, okay? Thank you.
Jingle with me, baby. 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 Jingle with me, baby.
I just want to say I am so grateful for y'all. We are on a road to 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, y'all. Yes, we did that. Okay. And we also have 800 followers on Instagram. Okay. Now, I appreciate y'all because y'all don't have to rock with your girl. You don't have to rock with me, but you are. And I love you and I care for you and I'm grateful for you. Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and be quiet. Now, enjoy this video. Like it up, comment. And hey, if you got any ideas, let your girl know on what video to post next. Love you.
Christmas time on high. In the bottom, magic light. Christmas time on high. In the bottom, Christmas time on high. In the bottom, magic light. Christmas time on high. In the bottom, Christmas time on high. In the bottom, magic light. Christmas time on high. In the bottom, magic light. Christmas time on high. In the bottom, magic light. Christmas time on high. In the bottom. In hearts, we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. In hearts, we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. Christmas time on high. In the bottom, magic light. Christmas time on high. In the bottom, Christmas time on high. In the bottom, magic light. Christmas time on high. In the bottom.